Are these the luggage locks that keep our valuables secure in the airport? Let me show you a secret about what's going on behind the scenes with these. You'll get them open fast. Hello and welcome back to Locklab 101. What we have today is the standard luggage lock. We're going to go over them, we're going to gut them, and we're going to see what's keeping these things locked and how easy it is to get them unlocked. Okay, so here's just a standard luggage lock. They're all pretty cheap. This one's, the code is 000. People use them to secure their luggage, to secure briefcases or small little cabinets. What I'm going to demonstrate is how easy these are to open. After I demonstrate that, we're going to open one up and we're going to look inside and you'll see why. Okay, so this is a little jig that I made, just 3D printed it, and what it does is you put her on a table so that you can pull on it. Okay, it's just an anchor for a piece of rope. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the table like this, and that way we can pull it. So this combination is 000, but what we're going to do, we're going to reset the combo. I'm going to push this down like this. We're going to do that. I don't know what the combo is. Okay, so that's there. I'm going to pull up, come back around, close it, and then scramble it. So it's locked right now. So the key ingredient to getting these open is tension or outward tension. You need to pull them apart, okay? So that's why I use this rope and this jig, and the jig that I just showed you. I'll just put it around like this. You don't need anything like this. You can just put it around your, just something simple, all pretty simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold here, and I'm just going to, I'm pulling this way. And what I want to do is find the dial that's bound the most. So this one moves pretty easy. This one moves pretty easy. This one moves pretty easy, and this is a little bit stiffer. So while keeping outward pressure on the shackle, I'm going to rotate this disc around, this dial around, until I hear a slight click, and I'll feel a little click also. So I'm going to be quiet so that you can hear it also. Okay, 7. Then I go to the next one. Okay, I don't know if you heard that. I'm not sure about the 7, but I am pretty sure about the 2. Last one. Okay, you probably heard that one. Oh, there it was. It was 7. Okay, so the combination of this and 727. Okay, and you probably heard that last click. Let me show you why you heard that click. Okay, so what I want to show you is, is on this shackle shank, there are these tabs. There's little tabs. Okay, there's 3 tabs. There's 1, 2, and 3. They align with a groove in the back of this lock body right here, and when all of them are lined up, it'll slide out. So when you put outward tension on this and you turn the dial, what happens is these plastic tabs, let me get one around here. That plastic tab will sit down in this groove, and then it'll allow the shackle to move towards the open direction just that fraction of an inch. And when they're all aligned, then the lock opens. And that's what it looks like when they're aligned. And that's the bottom groove. And that's the channel that they all fit in right there. That's closed, and when they're all aligned like that, it opens up like that, and it comes up to the top, to the stop. So when you put outward tension on the shackle and move the dial, that little tab will come around, and when it sits into that slot, there's just a minute amount of movement on the outward direction of the shackle, and when they're all in line like that, the lock opens. Let me go ahead and demonstrate that again, just to prove that it wasn't a fluke. I don't know what the code is on this. The code was over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to tie the rope, secure the rope. I'm pulling outward pressure. I'm finding the dial that turns easiest, that's the bottom one, and I'm turning it until I hear and feel a click. That's a pretty strong click right there. I'm going to go with that. Then I go to the next one that's bound. They're both the same, so I'm just going to go to the center one. Okay, I think the camera probably picked that up. Let's go to the third one. And it opened. Alright, so yep, I know they call these locks, but they're not very secure at all. I would, me personally, I don't know if I would use this lock on my luggage, because all it does is keep the honest people honest. Okay, well that's all I have for today. I hope you learned something. If you did, please consider watching my other videos, like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much.